Hello everyone, and welcome back to Business Bloom, the ultimate destination for aspiring entrepreneurs, business enthusiasts, and industry professionals. Today, we have an exciting and informative episode lined up for you. We'll be taking you behind the scenes to explore the intriguing process of how poultry feed is made. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. To understand how poultry feed is made, it's crucial to know the basic components. Poultry feed is a carefully formulated blend of grains, proteins, vitamins, and minerals, tailored to meet the specific nutritional needs of chickens and other poultry birds. Now that we understand the ingredients, let's take a look at how they are sourced. It all starts with selecting the highest quality raw materials. Once the raw materials are sourced, they undergo a meticulous process of grinding and mixing. This step ensures a uniform blend of all the ingredients. Pelletizing is a crucial step that transforms the blended ingredients into easy-to-digest pellets, making it more convenient for poultry to consume. Ensuring the quality and safety of poultry feed is a top priority. Extensive testing and quality control measures are in place to guarantee that the feed meets all standards. Once the feed passes quality control, it's time for packaging. Different packaging options are available, depending on the market and customer preferences. And there you have it, folks. The journey of poultry feed, from the farm to your feeder. It's a complex and fascinating process that ensures the health and well-being of our poultry. Before we go, remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative, and if you have any questions or would like to see more content like this, please leave a comment down below. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.